Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ted.
And I'm Keaton.
And we're going to talk about Zinger Fletches from
Bow Hunting Fever, LLC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Zinger Fletchings from Bow Hunting Fever LLC. Let's get right into it. So right here we have the fletchings. It looks a kind of awkward on the shaft because of how short they are. This is what they come in. They come just on this piece of tape stuck on it in a little package. You get a little card and you get a little bit of tape to wrap around this. We don't have it on because we don't want to put it on because then you can't take this back off, but you put that on that is glow in the dark, and it also keeps it from when it goes through the whisker biscuit. It doesn't shove off the back of the shaft. These things are really easy to put on. It takes about 3 seconds. It's really helpful if you rip a fletching off in the field, or you rip a fletching off when you're shooting your bow and you just don't want to go get it fixed right away. So you can just pop one of these out of your backpack, slip it on, and you're fixed.
So these are pretty easy to take on and off. I just kind of twisted them on. I mean, you want them tight, but you can hear it twist off. And I took the knocks off too. It made it easier. You can just twist those things off. There we go. Put it on. Kind of get it going, and I just twisted it on to where I wanted it, about an inch and a half down. There you go, fletched arrow.
So we're going to shoot a few of these and we're going to check and see if they pop off when we shoot them without the tape and see how much that's really going to affect it. I don't think it'll affect much, other than if you're shooting in your whisker biscuit, it might be a little tough, then it might pull it off, but we'll see.
These are weighted for my species bow. I'm shooting about 55 pounds. These arrow shafts are carbon aftermath by Easton. They're 340. So we're going to check them out and see how they fly. We're going to shoot a few. So
tell us about your shot here.
well, let's see if they shifted at all. It doesn't look like it. It looks like they're still in the same placement. Yeah. So actually that's pretty good, I would say. I haven't shot in a few days, so that was my first 3 shots. It's been about a week. I'd say it's pretty good, looking good. I'm gonna shoot a few more and we'll see how they go. Hey, after shooting a few of these Zingers through my bow, didn't have any problems with them as far as moving, or we thought maybe when they went through the whisker biscuit that they would pull off, but we didn't have any problems. There was no movement at all. So these are a pretty cool little product, 3D printed, something you can get really quick on turnaround time. They go like on an arrow in like literally like 3 seconds. So I would definitely check them out if you're looking for some new fletchings for your arrows. Hey, if you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again.
If you like it when I do videos, like.